Hello. Hello and welcome to this part of programming tutorial in which we will learn about Typedef. This is the appropriate time to learn about Typedef because we are going to learn structures. So what is Typedef? Okay. So Typedef basically gives you an alias to an existing name. For example, we can say typedef int to integer. Okay. So now int has another name, integer. For example, I can say integer I is equal to say 10. Okay. And then we can print this. Okay, it is loaded. So what is typedef here? Here I have specified. So you can have like this. You can say typedef char to asset, signed char, that is. You can also write sc8 signifying 8 bits. You can write short int s16, that is 16 bits, and then u16. You can also say si16 or ui16. So that will give you a name. There will be more on typedef, I guess. Okay. So in language also there has to be something for typedef. Okay, I think I have not covered it. Okay, it may be hidden somewhere. Maybe I should look up here. Okay, I make all these videos in runtime, so many times I have to look here and there in case I want to show something. Alright, now say for structure, so here we can print our integer also. Okay, so that was I, right? Okay, so one of the ways to write a structure is struct t, struct and then the name, and then you open braces, and at the end of final brace you have a semicolon, and then you have members. So int I here will be known as the member of structure T. Now this is also a structure which also contains an integer I, but it is type f to another type f. So f becomes a type, data type like integer, float, while this is a structure whose name is T. Now this s is a structure. Remember the difference. T itself is not a type, but its type is structure. So structure T is a type as a whole, but over here S is a type. Okay. So what this means is you can declare variables like this, S, and then you can create one on stack and maybe a pointer to that. Then you have got struct T. Now you can't simply say T because you have not typedef, you have not created. So we have to say T1 and T2, and then when you do malloc and you cast the pointers and pass the type as an argument, then here I can use capital S, but here I have to use struct T. Note the difference. Now to assign to members, how do you assign? If it's a plain variable on stack S1 or T1, you can signify using dot I. Dot is the operator. But if it's a pointer S2 or T2, then you have to use the arrow to get the address of the variable. So then these are assigned 5, 7, 9, 11, and then we have 10 also. So let's make this struct 1. Okay, so struct 1. So you see 5, 7, 9, 11, 10 are printed. So always remember that you should try to define a type of your structure. Typedef is pretty handy there because all the time you won't have to use this struct all the places. It is convenient to define a typedef for this, and at many places typedef are quite convenient. For example, when you have complex function pointer definitions, declarations, not definitions, declarations, then typedef becomes mighty convenient, very convenient to use. And when you have array of function pointers, then also it is very convenient to use a typedef. So with this, I will stop here, and we will learn more about structures in our next video, and I'll reuse the same code. I just want to keep this video short. We'll use the same code, and we will learn more about structure, that what exactly a structure is, why we should use structures, when we should use structures, and how to use structures. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, or if you do not like the video, then you can hit the dislike as well, and keep watching this space for more videos on my channel, and you can optionally subscribe for it so that you get notified when a video comes. Thanks for watching the video. Happy programming. Enjoy.